Hello, good people. Sandila here. Kyle lives on top of the hill, and Karin's on top of the hill. Hope you all are doing good and great. Might I remind you to please subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. I'm looking for my God, where is this thing? Looking for this thing here that I will need for what we are about to go to. Yes, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and yes, share this video. Today I'm going to do this guy here, garlic. I'm going to show you how I do garlic. There is a few ways I do garlic, but this is one of the ways that I do it. I've done a video previously where I did garlic, and I started it with sitting on a glass with water and then rooting it out and then all that. But today I'm going to show you another way of doing garlic. And right now here in my region, if I would say that, or here in Durban, we are sleeping, right in winter, which apparently is a good time to put the garlic on the soil, because then it can do its thing there on the soil, and in spring it can shoot out and start cooking, and by summer we should be harvesting some garlic bulbs. Okay, so let's get on with this and put this on the soil. Set this up here, and it's setting. Sun might be on the way, I don't know. Let's get this up there. Yeah, there we go. Maybe lift it up a little bit. There we go. And let's open this up. I forgot to bring my Oh yeah. Anyway, so let me see. Maybe let's put it this way because the sun, Wow. So this is where we're going to do our garlic. I love to loosen the soil before putting anything on the soil. That snail there. I love loosening my soil. Let's do this. Let's do this. Right. I think garlic, like onions, probably they love loose soil. If you want to get like a nice big, garlic bulbs. And let's open it up. And we will see if this will come out or it won't, if it will be success or it won't be a success. We don't know yet. The only way we will know is by planting the garlic itself. most ideally you wanna put in the bigger ones, as they have the chance of doing quite much more better, performing much more better, than the tiny ones. So all these will find themselves a space in this tire here. And some of these, like these tiny little ones, they'll find themselves a space in my pot. Like this one as well. This one might even go on my tea. Yeah, small, and so there we go. Right, and so this is what I'll do. I do this, and boom, and I cover, and do that, boom, and I cover. I'm spacing them up about 15 to 20 centimeters. There we go. Cover. You can see my covering is not I'm not pressing it like hard, just like pushing the soil over, because I don't want to make it hard for the garlic to come out. Yeah. What's this? A mosquito? I don't know. Yeah, looks like a mosquito. There we go. Boom. Put it in there. Cover. Sometimes making this hole is a little bit of a nightmare. Cover, and we come here. Nice. Go like that. So try and make sure that the garlic bulbs are facing up, nice. There, nice. So I've got 2 more. Okay, I started here. I can put 1 here. There, nice. And I'll put 1 somewhere right there. There we go. Nice. Boom. That's it. While I'm still here, probably I should have a piece there. Looks ready. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. That's the quick and short, nice and sweet way how I do garlic. Now only time will tell. Now we have to wait. Now we water, we wait, and we see. It's now? We're in June now. June, July, August. Yeah. Yes. That's like 3 months of winter, and we'll see. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe it'll come out before even spring, which is September. But we'll see. The result will show as time goes on. But basically, this is how I do garlic. 2 ways, like I said. It's either I take the whole chunk, the whole pulp, I put it on top of a glass with water. I wait for it to develop roots. Once it has roots, I split it, put it on the soil. Or I split it like I just did now, and I put it on the soil and I let the soil do its magic. Voila. Okay, I hope that you learn something out here, like the spacing as well. I make sure that I keep the spacing between 15 and 20 centimeters for my garlics. Sandile, yeah. Garlics on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out, and I hope that this was informative for you, that you learned something out of it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And we highly appreciate all those of you that have chosen to subscribe, to like our videos, to comment on our videos, and to be part of this channel. Thank you very much. I am out.